Hello students, this is chapter 3 from R.S. Agrawal, exercise 3rd B, factorization of polynomials, and let's start the exercise. Factorizing the difference of two squares. Formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So this exercise will be solved on this formula and factorize the question number first and question number second. Start. Here 9 is the square of 3, so you can write it 3x whole square minus 16 is the whole square of 4, so you can write it 4y square. So it is the form of a square minus b square. So using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, you can write it 3x minus, or take plus sign before, 3x plus 4y into 3x minus 4y. Answer. Similarly, you can solve the question number second. 25 upon 4, you can write it 5 upon 2 whole square. So put x in the bracket also. So this is completely square, minus you can write it 1 upon 3 into y whole square. Now this is the form of a square minus b square. So a is 5 upon 2x and b is 1 upon 3y. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So write down 5 upon 2 x plus 1 upon 3 y into 5 upon 2 x minus 1 upon 3 y. Answer. Third, 81 minus 16 x square. You can write it 81 means 9 square minus 16 means 4 square. So you can write it 9 square minus 4x whole square, and a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Here this is 5 minus 20x square. So 5 is not, you can't write it in the form of whole square. You can take first common. So 5 you can write in the form of under root 5 whole square, but 20 will, this is not right way, because you are watching that 5 and 20, you can take 5 as a common factor. So this is the way, don't do other form, and this becomes minus 5 4s are 20 x square. Now this is 1 square minus 2x whole square. Then you apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. I am solving here and you can do in your notebook now. Now match the answer of third and fourth and come to the question number 5th. 2x to the power of 4 minus 32. So what to do? 32 is a multiple of 2, or you can take common 2 from this factor. So here x to the power of 4 minus 16 2s are 32. So 16 is the remaining part. Now this you can write 2 x square minus 4 square, 4 4s are 16. Solve it. Next step, a plus b and a minus b using identity. Now next 6th question number. Here 3 and 243. 243 can be divided by 3. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3, and you can take a common, 3 common, a common and b common. Then see what remain in the bracket. 3 common and a common and b common. Now a square in the bracket minus 243, when you taking out 3 as common, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, and A has taken common and B common, so here B square remaining. Now this you can write 3AB into A square minus 9B square. Using identity, A square minus B square is equal to A plus B and A minus B. Then solve it and match the answer. This is x square whole square because x to the power of 4 here. Now use the identity. 2 x square minus 4 x square plus 4 2. This is also A square minus B square. B is 2 here, so write down here x plus 2 x minus 2 and x square plus 4. Answer here 3AB and A minus 9B, A plus 9B. Answer. Next, question number 7. Question number 7, 3x cube minus 48x. You can, first step yours should be the taking common factor in each term. So here 3 will divide 48. So you can take 3 as common factor from these two terms. So this will be equal to 3 common, x cube, also x common, here x cube, here x square in the bracket, minus 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 16 only. Now this becomes 3x and 16 you can write it 4 square, so x square minus 4 square and 3x using the identity A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B. So x plus 4, x minus 4. Answer. Question number 8. In this two term, what is the common? It comes in the table 3 also 9, but 48 is not the multiple of 9 or not can be divided by 9. So you can take only 3 common from these two terms. So here in the bracket 3 9s are 27, 9a square minus 3 1s are 3 and 3 6 are 18, so 16, 16 3s are 48. So in the bracket 16b square. Now further using the identity 3, now a plus b, a means here 3, so you can write it 3a whole square. In next step 3a whole square minus 4b whole square. 3, now 3a plus 4b, 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. Answer. Once again I am explaining because camera is not cached it. Here 3 is common factor, taking common, and in the bracket 9a square minus 16b square. Here 3, and you can write it 9a square as 3a whole square and 4b whole square to 16b square, and using the identity a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. This is the answer. Next question. See the question number 9th and 10th, x minus 64x cube. So what should be your first step? First step will be if any factor is common in each term, so taking out the common factor. Here x is common, so taking out x is common, and in the bracket 1 minus 64 x square. You can write it x 1 square minus 64, you can write the square of 8, so 8x whole square, and using the identity a minus b, a plus b. Solve and check the answer. Next question number 10, 8ab square minus 18a cube. So first step, taking out the common factor, where 9 is the 2a is the common factor, 2 and a. So in the bracket, 2 4 is 8, so 4b square minus 2 9 is 18, 9 and a square. Now make it the square form of a square minus b square. So write down here 2b whole square minus 9 means 3a whole square. Now use the identity. This becomes x, 1 minus 8x and 1 plus 8x. Answer. And for this 2a, 2b minus 3a and 2b plus 3a. Answer. Question number 11. Here the expression are not in the form of squares, so that we can use the difference of two square identity. So first you make the squares of each term. So you can take common. Here 3 is common because 3 divides both the term, constant terms. So if this divided by 3, so you can write it 3 5s are 50. So write down here 3 into 5 into 3 5s are 15 into 10. 10 you can write it 2 into 5 and minus 3 into 2 x square. Now this becomes, taking out the common factor, 3 and 2. So 3 and 2 means 6, and in the bracket 5 5s are 25 minus x square. You can take common 6 directly, but if you are not decided what is the common factor, so first you break the number in the prime factors and then you easily know what the common factors are there. Here write down 6 into 5 square minus x square, 5 square minus x square, and using the identity a minus b, a plus b, 6 into 5 minus x and 5 plus x. Answer. Question number 12. First you take 2 common and in the bracket 1 minus 25 x square. Then use the identity of whole square of each term. See the answer of 12. And next question number 13. 20x square minus 45. Here 20 and 45 comes in the table of 5, or you can take 5 as a common factor from each the term, and in the bracket 4x square minus 5 9 is 45, so 9 you can write 3 square and use the identity of difference of two squares. Solve and check the answer. Match the answer and come to the question number 14. 3a plus 5b whole square minus 4c square. Here this complete term take as a square. Write down a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. A minus b. So don't no need to open the whole square as a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here use this identity. So this is your a, means you can write it 3a plus 5b. Here this is 2c whole square, so plus 2c, and other factor is 3a plus 5b minus 2c. Answer. 15, very easy. Here identity a square minus b square. So open this identity, so you will get one term as a minus b and a plus b is the second term. So write down a minus b and a plus b, and here you can take minus is common factor and a plus b in the bracket. Now here a plus b is a common factor, so taking out a plus b and in the bracket a minus b, this we have taken common and minus 1. Answer. Question number 16, 4a square minus 9b square minus 2a minus 3b. See all the terms here, 2a and 3b. 2 means square of 4 means square of 2 and 9 means square of 3. So you can write it 2a square minus 3b square minus 2a minus 3b. Now a square minus b square using the identity. So here you can write 2a minus 3b, 2a plus 3b, and remaining part you can take minus is common and in the bracket 2a plus 3b. So you can take the one factor which is common, 2a plus 3b, 2a plus 3b, and other part here 2a minus 3b and minus, and this we have taken so common and 1 only here. So this is the answer. Question number 17, a square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. It is some different, and don't use here to seeing this a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, because see the other term, you will not use here the identity a square minus b square, and from the next term you can't take common from the two terms. See why I am saying this, and try to make it whole square by taking other terms. See these three terms, b square and c square and 2bc. So you are known what to do here. This is of the form of a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. So if you take minus common, see a square and taking minus common from these three terms. So in the bracket b square, this is plus c square because minus taking common, here minus taking common, and this is plus, so you can write here minus 2bc. Now this is of the form of b minus c whole square, a square minus b minus c whole square. Now this is of the form of difference of two squares, and you can use the identity now. So that we have done all these. So write down a plus b minus c and a minus b, here a plus b minus c. Write down like this, otherwise you will think how it comes. A plus b minus c and a minus b minus c. In next step we open this bracket, so this becomes a plus b minus c, and in other bracket a minus b minus minus plus c. I think all the students have understood that why we have put these two terms in bracket, because we have using the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, which is b minus c, and a minus b means b minus c. So next step, we multiplied the sign inside the bracket and no mistake is there by you. Question number 18, 4a square minus 4b square plus 4a minus 4a plus 1. So students, don't take these two terms together because no use and you can't find the answer from if you are taking here a square minus b square using identity. Try to another way. See this term minus 4b square, it means you can make it whole square, 2b whole square, and here see the other three terms, 4a square plus 4a plus 1. You can write it 2a whole square plus 1 square plus 2 into 2a. So these three terms taking together, 4a square plus bracket first taking 1 square plus 2 into 2a, 2 into 2a. So here a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2a means 2a and b means 1, and others the remaining term is minus 4b square, minus 4b square. Next, what you can write it? You can write it 2a whole square, then it is the correct form. Now it becomes a plus b whole square. So a means 2a plus b means 1. Here 4a we have break in the form of 2 into 2a. So 2a means 2a, b means 1, so 2ab. Now this is the whole square of 2a plus 1 whole square minus, and you can write 2b whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, and use the identity and write the answer. Now this is the answer. It is similar as question number 18, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 9c square. So here these three terms making an identity, and here minus 3c square you can write, 9c square you can write 3c whole square. So it becomes a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus 3c whole square, and use the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now see the answer. And next question number 20. See the question number 20, 108 a square minus 3 into b minus c whole square. Here this is of the form a square minus b square, but first step should be that if any factor which is common in each term, take that factor as common factor. So 108 is divisible by 3. Check, 8 plus 0 plus 1 means 9. So it is divisible by 3. So you can take 3 as a common factor, and in the bracket 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. So 36 a square minus 3 is taking common, b minus c whole square, b minus c whole square. Now use the identity, because 36 means 6 square. So you can write it 6a whole square minus b minus c square, and then solve and find the answer. Now a square minus b square means a minus b, a plus b, and multiply minus sign in the bracket, get the answer. A plus b whole cube minus a minus b. It is the whole cube of a plus b. Here you can take minus common, so it becomes a plus b, and then you can take a plus b as common, and what remains in the bracket? A plus b whole cube minus a plus b. This is the power 3 of a plus b, and this is the power 1, so you can take a plus b as common, and in the bracket a plus b whole square minus here 1, and you can write it 1 square, and use the identity a square minus b square, then solve and then get the answer. See the question number 22, x square plus y square minus z square minus 2xy. Here this term 2xy, it means make some whole square, check all the term. Can you make the whole square of any numbers? Yes, x square plus y square minus 2xy, these three terms taking together, x square plus y square minus 2xy minus z square. This becomes x minus y whole square, because minus is there, minus z square, and use the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b, and get the answer. Now this is the answer. Question number 23. X square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square plus 2ab minus b square. This is the form of x plus y whole square, and here see these three terms. Here when you take minus common, so this term will be minus, and this will be the whole square of a minus b whole square. So you can write it x plus y whole square, and when you taking out minus common, so this will be the minus, and these three terms you can write it a square plus b square minus 2ab, or you can directly write it as a minus b whole square. So x plus y whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now use the identity a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Get the answer. This is the answer. Question number 24. 25 x square minus 10x plus 1 minus 36 y square. Now this is the 6y whole square, and you have to make this is also in the form of square, so that you will use the identity of a square minus b square, difference of two squares, and here 5x whole square, you can write it 5x whole square, and 1 means 1 square or 1 are same thing, so you can write it plus 1 square, and break this 10 as 2ab minus 2 into 5, 10 means 2 into 5, 2a, 5x, a here 5x, so 2 into 5x, and b is 1 into 1, and remaining is 36 y square. Now this is of the square of 5x minus 1, 5x minus 1, because minus sign is there, so 5x minus 1 whole square minus 6y whole square. Then open this by the identity a square minus b square, where a is 5x minus 1 and b is 6y. Get the answer. This is the answer. Question number 25. Students, I think this is sufficient for this video, and from question number 25 and other we will continue in next video. So students, please like, share and subscribe my video. Don't forget it. Thank you.